Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to screen record on your iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. Let's get started. The first method is the standard approach. To begin, swipe down from the top to open the control center. Look for the screen recording icon. It looks like this. Tap on it to start recording. You'll notice that the screen is now being recorded so you can perform any actions you want captured. Once you're finished recording, you can stop by tapping over here and clicking on the stop icon. You can also stop by returning to the control center and tapping the screen recording icon again to stop. Your screen recording is now saved in your photos so you can review, share, or edit it as you like. Some users have asked, what if the screen recording icon isn't in the control center? Don't worry, you can easily add it. You need to go to the control center and tap on plus icon on the top left of the screen. At bottom, you'll see an option add a control. Tap on it. From here, you'll find screen recording option. Simply tap on it to add it to the control center. Then tap somewhere over here to save. Once added, you can access the screen recording feature from the control center anytime. Just tap it to start recording right away. And that's it. Now you know how to screen record on your iPhone, whether the icon is already in your control center or not. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.